May BPI credit card or debit card ka ba? Are you worried for its security? Or maybe you just want more control sa paggastos? Let me show you how the BPI Card Control feature on the mobile app helps you secure and manage your cards, all from your phone. With BPI Card Control, you can enable or disable your card for online, in-store, or international transactions. You can set your spending limits to avoid overspending. Or pwede nyo ding i-lock or unlock yung card in case ma-misplace or mawala. You can also block specific transactions such as ATM withdrawals or foreign purchases. Using it is super easy. Just open your BPI app, go to Card Control, and toggle the settings based on your preferences. For example, for debit card, you can adjust the withdrawal limit, purchase limit, enable or disable international and e-commerce access, temporarily or permanently block the card. For credit card naman, you can temporarily or permanently block the card. You have full control over when or where your card can be used. Hindi lang ito about convenience, it's about security. If ever you notice suspicious activity, pwede niyong i-lock instantly. No need to report it via email, mobile, or going to the branch itself. So if ever you have a BPI credit card or debit card, make sure to activate Card Control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Let me know in the comments what feature you want to explore next. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!